In this video we will learn how to create email marketing web application website. You can send unlimited emails by creating this website. You can add different types of email sending servers to the website. You can also create email sending packages for customers. Or you can send unlimited emails using this website personally. Any customer can easily create an account. As an example, I will now create an account. Now we need to verify email. Then you can easily sell email packages to users. You can easily create these packages through the admin panel. Now users can easily create email campaigns. Users can easily send emails by designing email templates. I will discuss these issues with you step by step. For this we will first learn how to install website hosting panel. For this we need to purchase email marketing web application source code from Envato. Check video description. I will provide discount link of Envato website in video description. You can create professional email marketing web application website using source code. Just buy this source code once and you can use it on the website for lifetime. You also get lifetime update versions and lifetime developer support. You can send unlimited emails through this email web application. I am personally using this source code for my email marketing work. Because I can send unlimited emails through this email web application. You can easily design beautiful email templates through this email web application. Now we need to create Envato account to purchase the source code. You can easily create an account through Google. Or you can easily create account by submitting correct information here. I have already created the account, so I will now log into the account. Now we will click on the Add to Cart button to purchase the source code. Then go to Checkout. We must fill up the billing details. We can then purchase the source code using two international payment gateways. For example, I will now pay by bank card. We have to make total payment of $77 and 31 cents. Now we will submit the card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on the Pay Securely button. Once the payment is confirmed, we can download the zip file of the source code and the license key. Or if you don't have a bank card, you can easily pay through PayPal. We will now click on the Pay Securely with PayPal button to confirm the payment through PayPal. Now we can easily purchase the source code by logging into PayPal account. Once the payment is confirmed, we can download the zip file of the source code and the license key. Then domain hosting is required to install email marketing web application. You can buy high quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check video description. I will provide discount link on Hostinger website in video description. I use Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website. I prefer Hostinger hosting because their hosting speed is very fast, which is very important for every website. You can also get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. You will find all types of domain hosting at Hostinger. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You can purchase any package from here. But if you purchase any of these two packages, you will get a free domain. You will also get unlimited bandwidth and can create unlimited database. You will get the opportunity to use many more functionalities, which you will not get from other hosting companies. As an example, I will now show you the purchase of premium hosting. For this we have to click on Add to Cart button. We also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee with every hosting package. If you don't like domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. I will purchase domain hosting for 12 months. Now we need to create account. We can easily create account through Google. Wow, we are getting 75% discount. We can purchase domain hosting for just $35.88 for 1 year. We can make payment by bank card very easily. For this you have to submit card information here. Then click on the Submit Secure Payment button to confirm the payment. You can also pay through PayPal. You can also pay through Google. You can also make payments using various international cryptocurrencies. In this way, you can easily purchase domain hosting at low cost. After purchasing domain hosting, we will get a similar dashboard. First, we need to select the PHP version. We must select the PHP 7.4 version. Now we will click on File Manager. Then go to Public HTML folder. After purchasing the source code, we can download a zip file. Now we will extract this zip file. Then select all these files. Now convert these files into zip files. Then we will upload this zip file. Now we need to unarchive this zip file. We will now choose a folder name. Then delete this zip file. Now we will select these files. Then submit to public HTML folder. Now delete this demo file. Now we will search by typing the domain into the browser. Everything is okay. Now we will click Next button. We now have to submit the correct information. Complete our information filling. Now we will click on Next button. Now we have to create the database. We must create the MySQL database. First we will enter the name of the database. Then enter the database username. Now we will generate the password. Then add this password to the website. Now we will click on Create button. We will add this database information to the website. Now we will click on Save button. Now click on Setup Database button. Now we need to set up cron job. Now we will copy this code and submit it to hosting panel. Then click on Next button. Wow, we have successfully created email marketing web application website. So let's now customize the settings section. First we will upload the website logo and favicon. Then we will click on Save button. Our website logo and favicon have changed. Now go to System Email section. We must use SMTP email. For this we need to create business email. Now we have to submit email username. Then we will enter the password. This is our mail password. Now we need to submit the recovery email. Our business mail is ready. Now we will submit the user email. Then enter the password. Now go to Configure Desktop App. Now we have to submit this information to the website. Then click on Save button. Now we need to set up the sending server. Here you will find many sending server companies. We will basically use SMTP server. So let's create a new SMTP email. We will enter the email name SMTP. Then we will generate new password. I will copy this password and add it to the website. Then we will submit the recovery email. Now we will copy this email and submit it to the website. Now go to Configure Desktop app. Now we need to copy this email information and add it to the website. Then we will click on Save button. We have successfully added SMTP email server to the website. Now we need to add the domain. Then we will grant these 3 permissions. So let's now activate the email packages. Go to Sending Server. Now click on the Add Sending Server. We must select the SMTP server. Now we have to click on the Active button. You can activate each email package by following the same method. Or you can edit the packages. Here you will find the functionality to edit. I will activate all email packages now. Now we will learn how to create a new email package. For this we have to submit the package details here. You can also submit more information. Here you can submit limited information by email. Then we will click on Save button. Also you will get many more options. This way you can create and sell email packages. You can connect with many international payment gateway websites. You will add these payment gateways to the website as required. I will not show now how to add payment gateway. We are now visiting the website as customers. Now you can create camping and send unlimited emails. If you have any question about this video, then comment or contact us directly on email. Thank you so much watching this full video.